Hello folks, this is Ayatana from inspiredtorise.com and today we are going to talk about the Jabra Elite 45E. So guys, let's first start with an unboxing for the Elite 45E. This is the official box for Jabra Elite 45E and the pricing etc. is visible on top. It comes with a lot of features and has a wireless neckband style of design. Let's just open up the box. The Elite 45E looks like this. It has a flexible memory wire neckband design, so it remembers the shape and contours to your neck, meaning that you can bend the neckband and it will revert to that intended shape. It has an IP54 rated design, 2-year warranty against water and dust, and inside the box what you get is the earphones themselves, you get the warranty card, the user manual and all of the works. And apart from that, you also get the changeable earbuds which you can see over here. You also get the charging cable for this one. With one single charge, Jabra claims that it can last up to 8 hours. I also got around that much battery with the volume set to 1 or 2. Now let's talk about the issues that I faced. Despite the superior design, I felt that the noise isolation wasn't that great, and even my in-ear style normal wired earphones provided me a seemingly better fit than these. But I found that these were good for your running or jogs in case you're comfortable with pushing the volume to a little bit to the higher side. Apart from that, the design was good and there's this magnetic clasp here. The device comes with this multi-function button, the mute or voice button, volume down, volume up, the micro USB port for charging, and then there's the magnetic zone. It has got two microphone technology in order to have the best calling experience, and I found that when I was on calls with other people, even in noisy environments, they could hear me quite clearly. There's a dedicated Jabra mobile app wherein you can personalize your sound with the equalizer present over there. This device comes with Bluetooth 5.0 support, and you can also do multi-connection, which means two devices can be connected at a single time. The device turns off after 15 minutes if you haven't connected it and 60 minutes if there's no activity. For a price of 7500 rupees, these are great for fitness enthusiasts and people who like Bluetooth connectivity because these are water and dust resistant also. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.